Hello, Mike here. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to plug in your electric vehicle into a ChargePoint level 3 charging station. That's the high-speed DC fast charging station. And just a few steps here, so take a look and I'll show you here how to do it. Okay, so to charge your car, pull up to the station here. This one says it's available. So I'm going to shut the car off, and then we'll want to open the charging port. However you open your charging port, and then let's climb out of the car. Okay, so then we'll open up the charging port here. This one's on the front of the car, and then what we'll want to do is take a look and find this charger on the ChargePoint app. You do need to have the ChargePoint app loaded onto your phone and a credit card entered. So we'll just click on it here, and you can see it comes up here. It's available. Okay, so then the next step is to insert the charging cable into your car. This one has two different options. There's one called CCS, which is the top one, and then CHAdeMO is the bottom one. So you can't get it wrong. It'll physically only fit one way, so you'll need to know which one fits your car. But basically, there's a little push button here for your thumb. Take it out, and the cable is a little bit unwieldy, so you want to just insert it into your car, and you'll always hear a nice click like that. And there's even some instructions on the handle here, so it needs to say OK. And then still says available. So the next step here will be to get out your ChargePoint app and press Start Charge. Are you sure you want to start charging? Yes. Okay, and there we go. And on the screen as well, it's going to be showing you information also. Oh, good. Oh, it says I can plug in now. Oh, I did that at first thing. So there we go. Okay, good. So it's waiting for the EV. And the car is showing a blue blinking light showing that it's working. Oh, there we go. There's our power. Okay, but there's your successful charging start. Okay, so when you want to end your charging session, you can just press the stop button that's up here on the app, or you can go over to the charging unit itself and press the stop button on the screen. It's just over there. And then when you're done, we'll just need to unplug it. Okay, well, that's how to use a ChargePoint charging station. I guess there's a couple of ways you could do it. Plugging it in first and then activating, or activating then plugging. I think either way works. I'm not sure if one is more right than the other, but it doesn't seem to cause any problems. So hopefully that was helpful, and stay tuned for one more hint. One of the things you'll want to do on the ChargePoint app before you arrive at your charging station is to check to see the status of whether it's available or not. So I'm going to just zoom in on the one that I'm looking at. And if we click on it here, we can see it says it's in use. And you can click on notify when available. So if you do have other options for other ones around, like here, there's a few other options around in the neighborhood. You might want to check to see if those are available, if they're suitable for your vehicle. Or when you arrive, what'll happen is you'll see here, like this one just says in use, and then there's a vehicle next to it that's being charged. So this pedestal has one essentially charger, but two different cables, and it will do the CCS or CHAdeMO, but it can't do both at the same time, just as one at a time. So it's just something to look out for before you make your way over to a charger hoping it's available.